guys, welcome back to the channel. We're actually doing something a little bit different here today. We are checking out my buddy's Widebody RX7. Thanks Tobias for coming out. We appreciate it. Tell us a little bit about the car, about yourself.
Yeah, it's a 93 RX7 that I picked up roughly around 5 years ago. A lot of work has been done to the car. A fully built street-ported motor. The car was built, well, the motor was built by Mike Lowe out of Sarasota. His son's name is Jeremy Lowe. They did a fantastic job. The car put down 421 at 13 pounds of boost. Widebody kit was purchased from my friend Jay Lobb, who also carried one of the world's best RX7s, who stays here in Sarasota still to this day. Pretty cool guy.
What are the goals right now? You got anything? What are your intentions for later on?
Power goals wise, hopefully get the car to around 650, 700. Just want to let you guys know I started my own business too, called Chromazone. It is a spray chrome technology. I can virtually spray anything from car parts to wheels to turbo covers, whatever you need. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook at Chromazone, Kromeazone, Chromazone. Thanks.
Turn on the microphone.
Okay. Hi, I also started a business too called Chromazone. I can pretty much chrome anything. So.
Go ahead.
I'm trying to think. From car parts to wheels, motorcycles,